Vibe coding is not only for entrepreneurs or engineers, but also for curious and smart people like you to build applications almost for free for your own use, not for demo, not for selling, but help you to accomplish your daily work. It is easy, it is fun, and it is useful. Because I believe AI isn't just for developers or big companies. It is for everyone to save time and live smart. In today's video, I want to show you two apps. I use Google AI Studio free version and just use natural language to build. And you can build your version of those yourself after watch this video and get some inspiration to build other. My name is Celine Xu. Welcome and welcome back to my channel. I'm here to help business professionals like you to make AI part of your daily workflow and leverage them effectively. Free you for the more important and more enjoyable task. If you are thinking selling clothes online as a part-time job, or whether it's your own design or second-hand pieces, or you want to sell your taste of style, you'll be really interested in this. You know how much time it takes to get things ready from photos, descriptions, camping post? It's add up fast. But what if you could skip all the busy work and make your listing look 10 multiple more professional? In 5 minutes, let's dive in. The first app helps you create high-quality, product-ready images, perfect for e-commerce product detail page, marketing campaign post, or even just your own Instagram post. I call it AI Fashion Studio. The purpose of this is to help people or company reduce the cost and the time for creating product-ready pictures for selling from scratch, and help individual designer create their own campaign-ready post easily. I keep it simple. Here is how it works. I will show the demo part. My Google AI Studio, I'm using a free version. And the first app I want to show you is called AI Fashion Studio. And for this app, we have 3 steps. The first one is you choose the model you wish to have. The second one, choose accessory. And the third one, choose the background. And then they will mix and match all the information together, create an product ready or campaign ready product. So the first one is choose the model. Here I have set up 6 models for default. I have female and male. And now I want to use Sarah, which is black hair. And you can create your own AI model later. I will give you some instruction about that. The second one is I can choose the clothes and also the other things. I have a demo here. First, I'll choose the dress I want. Yeah. Now, some dress, I have a human in the dress, which I take the photo shoot from the 2026 runway show. And some of the dress, I have pure dress. Let's try this black dress first. I upload 2 to 6 images so I can combine different things. Then I want to have a gloss organ, and I want to pair this dress with cute and sneaker. And then I want to also have a bag for it. This one. I can also choose an earring for that. I will check the next step. Next step, I have 3 different backgrounds. One is pure white background, which a lot of companies use this for the product page. The other one is studio editorial. The third one will be the natural lifestyle. And in this one, I have 2 things. One is the mountain-based outdoor, and the other one is city. But you can design yours. So let's choose the easiest pure white one and generate. It takes a little bit of time. You can see you have the sunglasses, you have the earring, you have the dress, you have the model, you have the bag, you have the shoes, and you have different poses. And if I'm interested in this one and I want to enhance the result, you can get a really high quality post-ready picture for download. I can download here, so marking asset and save. Prompt. And I will link my prompt text below if you want to try. I said, I want to build an application having interface looks like this, and I give a picture, which I really like, and I having all function. As you see, there will be 3 tabs. 1, face, 2nd, close, 3rd, style. And I specify here, I provide an product image I like you from one website you're referring to. Then I specify the functionality I need you are able to do. First, based on what I choose for face, which is the model, please create 6 AI models in default, which I can choose later with different skin color, shape, gender, and hairstyle. As you see before, I have 3 male, 3 female, and have Asian face, Africa face, European face with different hair color. Second, the clothes, including dress, garment, and accessory I provide in 2 to 6 pieces to make a marketing-ready post, which means I can combine different garment accessory and put together with a specific picture, and then apply different pose of the model. Here, I find one female pose from Pinterest, and I specify choose 6 to 8 of that pose for my post. You can tailor for your perspective. And I said, choose 6 to 8 from picture 2. I upload and choose 4 best you think best for specific outfits. That's why you always see 4 of them. 3. There are only 3 styles to choose, which is the background. First is the white background, which is a lot of company use as the product detail page. Second one is the picture shooting studio background. It's more artistic and it's good for advertising. Last but not least is natural background. And here I didn't specify. I want to have a city background, I have a mountain background, and I have a sea background. And then I said this app is for marketing people use existing tool picture and close picture to generate e-commerce or marketing picture. Please also add the function which it can enhance the picture quality, how to scope and create a good application or AI product requirement for vibe coding. I have a video here for your reference. Check it out. I put some special thoughts for this application. First, about the models. Why I want to create my own AI models. I do not need to copyright. I do not need wait for her or he available time. And I do not need to share them with my competitors. They are unique and exclusive for my brand and style. For this application, you can also upload a real model picture if you want, or your own picture, or even your face picture and your ideal body shape to form a special model on the first section. Just detailize the skin color, body shape, hairstyle, gender, and even the color of eyes to Nano Banana or any other image generating tool, and you will find some model you really like. Second, as a selfie lover, I find the posing is miss and quite great for leveling up the photos or the outfits. So I did a search on Pinterest about elegant female pose for photo shooting, and I select 8 movements which I like for this application. And you can find your own and create your own. 3. For the background, I only set up 3 for easy purpose, but you can set up more for your own purpose. For example, if you are selling a yoga clothes, maybe you can use yoga studio background. There is no limitation. With the right copyright, you can also find any online and do the swapping. All the close picture here, I use the screenshot online, either from shop or from the runway show pictures. You can also use your own product picture. That is the most recommend. And you will see the power of the Google Gemini. The big benefit here is this app shorten your time and cost for your product to ready picture, and you have great control of how you want the photo looks like. Let's move to second app. It speed up the description writing and inspection process for your second-hand clothes and make record ready in the database. You can also use this for enrich your product data. I call it Style Lens. Here is how it works. I want to show you is what I call is Style Lens, and it's an app I can use Gemini capability to identify different component information from a garment from the picture. So as you see here, already have two I did today. One is a dress, the other one is actually dressed on the person, and this photo is I actually create from my previous app. So now we try the new one, analyze you, and select one photo. Now let me double check what photo I want to choose. Maybe this one. So it takes a little bit of time. So it gave me some information like what is the color of the dress, what the material of the dress, which is a silk, and I silk. And I let the model actually give me the confidence score about the guessing. So it says 90%. And then I want it also guess the original brand of this dress and the original price of the dress. At the same time, based on the condition, whether or not it's new or it's used or good, I need to give a discount of this price. So now it's like total new because I take this picture directly from the website. It's really right. And then it also describes a style and shape of this dress. Last but not least, and for helping the customer how to take care of the dress is also give the information about how to take care of this specific dress. And then this tool is made for the company who actually sell the secondhand dress, which they probably want is to minimize the human manual writing the information of the dress, which I have one functionality is says export the CSV, which means you can export all the information in a table format. And you can also integrate directly with this app to your product database CSV file. So in the CSV file, we have date, which is the date you log or you upload the picture. And to help the company understand whether or not this information be verified a human or not, the default is no. And then it tagged the clothes into different color category and understand the condition of the clothes, whether or not it's new, is good, is maybe torn, so on and so forth. And then have more information about the dominant material, the quality, the brand, the estimate original price, and the suggested discount, and where is the image come from, and for the information. I want to show you is I'm using the natural language of that, and this is not just an tool. You can actually see the photo of that. Is have the app structure. They have the components, they have the HTML information, they have the document I upload. You can also save it to GitHub for your information. So I save it to my code base. At the same time, you also can share the app and deploy the app. I also wondering how I can ensure long-term use this application not only from this platform. And I ask the Google AI Studio, and it gave me some information about it. It says you can download the code, you can run locally, and give me the structure of that. I follow the step, but it doesn't work for information. To see, they are not always suggested zero discount. This is the picture I get from the secondhand website called Shopify. And this one is from Shapley. And then it also gives the color, the material, the brand, and also the suggested discount. And for this one, it's not able to distinguish a specific brand, so it says things like this. So it's real and acceptable. And also this is an fax fur, and it looks really nice. And this one, I actually take the picture from Max Mara, and it's showing me the brand name. I was so surprised, it's so accurate, and which is really good. Here also some source. First, I upload an terminology of the name of 268 colors. From fashion reviewer perspective, I want to guarantee the terminology is relevant and professional for customer. Second, I upload a guide about how to describe the style and the shape of a specific garment or dress from a fashion reviewer perspective. Third, I put myself in the shoes of what information I will need to have if I'm selling a second-hand clothes. So I add a functionality about guessing the original brand and price, provide discount of the price, and having the keep and care instruction of specific pieces. In both applications, you need to connect your app interface with the back brain, which is Google Gemini model. Here I'm use Google Gemini 3 Flash. Then you need to create your own Google Cloud project and get an API key. It's not that difficult. Here is the video can help. If you're interested in, I can also do another video show you step by step about the whole process. Please comment below if you want. Thank you for watching and hope you had fun and start to build your own. If you like this video, share it and hit the like button. Drop a comment below what app you want me to build and demo next, and what apps you want to build. Subscribe for more. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.